Hello, Chris here again from the garage. I have just made the first test run on the CNC. Hopefully my GoPro footage will be okay, so I will edit that in and yeah, so quite okay. I did a face milling operation and then I tried engraving with a small ball end mill, and seems like I need to adjust the set probing around 5/100ths of a millimeter. It seems to be off. I tried manually to set the set height a little bit, like 5/100ths millimeters lower, and then it seems to be spot on. So I need to adjust that in the program. So yeah, thanks for watching for this short episode. Okay, so here is the first test run. I need to adjust the height a little bit, and the engraving seems to be working at least. The facing feels smooth, but I see some tracks or what you call it, so yeah, maybe need to see if I can trim that in, but otherwise quite good for a first test run.